So guys, we are currently live on YouTube again. We were live this morning, and this morning we're floating around 17k profit, and currently we are seeing 47k USD. Yes, don't forget I started this account with $400. My plan was to flip it to $50,000, and currently we are running in 54,000. It was 55k just now with just this little pullback. It is 54. So this is my third time trading live on YouTube. I tend doing this often, so I just want you guys to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, click on the like button and also comment and leave a comment if you want me to be creating comment like this. So that's how we roll. I'll be breaking down this strategy. I'll be breaking down this setup right now in the next few minutes, because I always put my money where my mouth is. In the morning, I told us I was expecting certain things to play out. In the morning, I told us I was expecting certain things to play out on gold, and everything play out just as I said. So in few minutes, let's all do the breakdown together. So I'll be showing you what I said in the morning. If you don't know what we were expecting, you can just watch the last live video that I did. You will see where we were in the morning. You will see my analysis for the day, what I was expecting in London and New York session. Everything played out perfectly. So now, like I said early in the morning, like I said early in the morning, this was the Asia high here, and this was the Asia low. So what I was expecting, or what I wanted to see in the market, was just what I was expecting was price to take out the Asia low, pull back into the range, and go back to take out the Asia high. And why I was expecting this to happen was because neither the high nor the low was resting on the POI. And now when a session high or low is not resting on any POI, you are likely to experience what they call dual liquidation, which means the high and low will get taken. But when a session high or low is resting on a POI, it means you might likely experience single liquidation. So the particular if it's the high that is resting on the POI, it has a high tendency to hold, and you experience sell side liquidity being taken out. And if the low is resting on the POI, then it's likely to hold, and you experience buy side liquidation. So neither the high nor the low was resting on the POI. So price in the morning, I told us I want price to take out the Asian low, pull back into the range, and we'll target the high, and that is exactly what I did. So let me zoom out. This was the Asia high here, and this was the Asia low. So price took out the low, pulled back into the range, and took out this high. So as you can see, I started adding positions when price took out the low. This huge bullish candle here indicated that this high was going to be taken out. So after I saw this huge volume candle, I added another position. As you can know, my strategy is built around liquidity and volume. So this double top here is there's a buy side liquidity resting above here. So I knew it won't hold. So as you guys can see, we are running in 48,000, $48,000 profit. $48,000 profit. Yeah, man. 48k. So I feel like shouting, but I don't want to shout. I don't want to shout, man. Seeing $48,000 profit floating, you might just feel tempted to close your profits. I had this position since last week. I took this position last week, and I posted on my community yesterday that something crazy is about to happen on gold, and as you can see, it's happening already. It's happening already. Crazy man, crazy man. You don't get to see positions like this every day. You understand? You don't get to see positions like this every day. So just from $400, and currently we're running around 55k, as you can see on the screen here. Running around 55k, 55k, 55k. So this is $55k dollar profit running. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. This morning we're running around 17k, and I told you my target for this account was $50,000. We've hit our benchmark, but I'm not closing because I know gold is about to hit another all-time high, and that is a secret I'm not supposed to share, but we just still have to share it, man. Gold is about to hit another all-time high. You know what that means? It means plenty pips for the boys, plenty pips. Currently, I'm running around 950 pips. Can you imagine that, guys? 950 pips. How many mentors will hold 950 pips on a single trade? So when I tell you that I'm the king of swing trading, I know what I'm saying. So please, if you have not subscribed, please just subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button. I mean to say, click on the subscribe button. Click on the like button. Turn on the notification bell in case I'm on live on YouTube. You'll get notified, and also leave a comment in the comment section. I got a message earlier. Someone asked how long I've been trading. I've been trading Forex since 2012. That's like the past 13 years. So we've experienced a lot of ups and downs in the markets. I wanted to do a deep breakdown of this strategy, this volume and liquidity strategy. So, but I will be doing a proper YouTube video where I'll be teaching everything you need to know about this strategy. It's a killer during the London session, and if you are right, man, you'll be able to ride gold all through the day. You know, pick the low, ride it till you get the daily high. As a day trader, pick in, pick out, peace in, peace out. You know, so that's how we do, man. I'm actually expecting some pullback. I'm expecting pullback to this region here. So let's see. Expecting price to pull back from here. Price might either pull back, take out this low, and come to this place. But if price should take out this low, that is a shift of structure. So I'm not sure if price will pull back to that level. I'm not sure if price will get to that level. I'm experiencing some delays for price to go up. Price has refused to actually clear this high. Now all these candles gathering here, it means something is about to happen, a pullback. So if you look at this huge bullish candle here, there is an inefficiency here. Let me delete this shit. There is an inefficiency here that hasn't been mitigated. So from here to this place, there are inefficiencies here. In fact, to this place as well. So, and you know, price and the market seeks two things: liquidity and inefficiency. So now there was former liquidity resting above here. If you should look properly, there was liquidity resting above here, and price took out that liquidity. So now the next thing price is going to go for an inefficiency, which always comes in form of order block, fair value gaps, breaker block. So, and if you look carefully, you will see one here. So price took out liquidity, we'll see a pullback to tap into any of these inefficiencies here. So I'll be waiting for that pullback, and when it happens, you know what I'm gonna do as usual, right? Add to my position. So let's see, expecting a pullback towards this region to look like a break and retest. So it will only happen if we've gotten our daily high. If we've gotten our daily highs, as you know, each day we have the daily open, the daily low, the daily high, and the daily close. So we've gotten our daily open, which was around this, which was around this region. We've gotten our daily low here during the London session. The New York session will give us our daily high, and we'll have our daily close. So if we have our daily close and we did not mitigate this inefficiency, I will know that during Asia session we might form a range, pull back, take out the liquidity below the range, tap into this inefficiency, and look for an external liquidity. So all these are just speculation, guys. I trade what I see and not what I think, and that is where a lot of you guys miss it. You always like trading what you think. Yeah, every 1 o'clock gold will do this, every 2 o'clock and GPUSD will do this and that. It is not just it is far beyond that, man. Far beyond that. As a trader, you should learn to trade what you see and not just what you think. So you should learn to trade what you see and not what you think. So we're still running around 48k, and somebody will be there and ask, what's your plan for this account now? Do you want to hold the account till 100k? Now I will show you my plan for this account in a few minutes. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, you'll see this huge candle here. So this candle is a strong bullish candle. It means that the market is still very bullish, but it has a lot of inefficiency, on-field inefficiency. So, and what does that tell you? That the market will seek to tap in those inefficiency. And okay, now let me use this arrow. It has a lot of inefficiencies here in this place. So the market will seek to pull back, tap into this inefficiency, and target this liquidity here on my left-hand side. You can see this liquidity here. So the market will go for this liquidity. So it's like higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I will not call this higher high and higher low, but still we might have a higher high here and a higher low, and price will take out this overall buy side liquidity here. This is not an internal, this is an external liquidity. So price will take out this external liquidity here, and if price take out this external liquidity, what we might likely see is another new all-time high on gold. Another new all-time high. If you're still watching, I want you to subscribe to this channel, please. That's the only way of you guys to support us. We're not yet we're still a small channel growing, not monetized. We're not doing this for the money, we're doing this for the passion. You know, the goal is to liberate a lot of traders, a lot of young Africans out there. So I remember back in 2012, what was my dream and vision about Forex? To make money and make money and make money. But along the line, discover that it's not just about making money, it's to help people as well make money. You know, when you are the only rich person in your squad, means you guys are fucking broke, very broke as fuck. So we're still running around 48,500 and profit and 55k in equity. Don't forget this account was from $400. Yeah, was from $400. Let's go, man. Let's look at the daily time frame. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame, you see that there is a high here, and high here. What does that tell you? Liquidity liquidity, liquidity. This was the last inefficiency here, which was in the form of breaker block. So price tap into this breaker block. Now, whenever I see something like this, I watch out for two things: a seller strap and a buy zone. If you know how I trade very well, you know that these two things are very, very important, because once price hits this breaker block here, which is this, I expect price to move up into a seller trap, trapping sellers, pull back into a buyer zone. Now, if I get a good bullish price action in this place, it's a nice confirmation. So if you can see, I started buying after this bullish candlestick formation. Let me zoom in so you can see very well. I started buying from here. We took out this high. This is an internal buy side liquidity, pull back, gave us a nice flip zone here. Let me zoom out. Give us a nice flip zone. We bought, took out this high again. Price came here, tapped into this other block here, and we might end up clearing this buy side liquidity here. And if that happens, we're going to see a new all-time high on gold. I don't intend closing these positions anytime soon. As a matter of fact, I'm going to hold this probably till the end of this week, till I see that all-time high. And one beautiful thing I know about gold, now let me give you this for free. If gold should take out this high, we're going to see about 3 to 4 candles moving in the same direction. Do you know what that means? On the daily time frame, if you should see 3 bullish candles moving in the same direction, that is more than 1,000 pips. So there is every tendency of me making 2,000 pips from this move. Currently, we're floating around 950, 980 pips, almost 1,000. So I still have about 1,000 pips left, and it's very, very achievable, because this inefficiency that happened in the form of breaker block, it has a lot of bullish strength. So for price not to continue bearish here, it means something is about to happen on gold, and I don't want to be on the wrong side. 49k profits, as you can see on the screen, 49,000. Yeah man, 49k. I don't want to be on the wrong side when that happens. If you get caught selling, I'm sorry for you. Margin call. 49k, $56,000 profit. Don't forget the deposit was $400. If you want to learn how I trade, just click the link in the description and join my trading community for free. If you want to open your trading account, you can use the broker I use. It's very, very trusted. It's the one I recommend. 49k. So I'm going to be doing this very, very often now. I'm still testing the YouTube algorithm to see how it works. So I will be trading live on YouTube almost every day. And I want you guys to watch. If you're an upcoming trader, if you want to ask questions about my strategy, about how I pick my positions during the London session, how I focus on liquidity, volume, and inefficiency, just drop a comment, or you can send me a DM. My social media handles are on my bio. You can send me a message. We're about to hit 50k in profit. 50k, yes. Yeah, man. 50k, man. Let's go, man. 50k. Hope this is not one's view. This is 50k, man. Yeah. Hope this is not one's view. A lot of traders we actually want to close right here, but we are not going anywhere, man. We're here, man. We're here. 50k, yeah, man. So 50K, 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 50K. It has come to stay. It has come to stay. This is not view once. This is not view once. It has come to stay. It has come to stay. Yeah, man. $50,000 profit in a running position from a deposit of $400. Equity currently is around $57,000 profit from a deposit of $400. I want you to do the math and tell me how many percent ROI is that. Now, if you still think forex trading is a scam, then you must be lying to yourself. You understand? We'll be going off right now. Tomorrow morning by 4 a.m. UK time. I want you to catch us live on YouTube. We'll be trading live again, and I will be sharing my setup, what I'm seeing, what I'm expecting for both London and New York session. I want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for watching this video. Just click on the like button. You can even share this video to your friends. It helps the algorithm to suggest this video to all to other traders. So